Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Denied. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So first you just type here as sudo su and enter your password. Then later you just type here as net discover minus I is 0. So I have identified my target mission is this one. Then later you just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your target type here. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with sh and another one is available with Apache server and another one is available with the same Apache server. So it's quite interesting here. We would like to look here, the first one. We just enter your target IP address 192.168.18.171. We would like to look the page source. In the page source, we didn't find any useful information. Okay, let's come back here 192.168.18.171. Then we would like to go for 8080. So in this also is same thing, but we didn't get any useful information. So it's looked like a quite interesting. We would like to open the new tab. Now just put here as Gobuster, HTTP, enter our target IP address 192.168.18.171. We would like to look here. What's interesting things we can get it from here? This is we not get any useful information here also. We would like to try here as one more thing, but we not get except here as a server status and server status. So we would like to try to crack. We would like to try here as let me just go with as anecdote minus h. We just try here 192.168.18.171. We would like to try this. Anti-click jacking X frame header. So it's quite interesting. This X content type option header. So options is allowed in HTTP method. Options for head, get, and post. So we have these permissions like head, get, and post. That's it. Apart from this, we not get. Quite interesting here. Let me just type it as clear. Now we just try here as 8080. We can try this. So here I have got we can open the new link. Apache HTTP server 1.3.23. It's like OpenBSD allows for remote attackers to obtain sensitive information via electronic tag header, which reveals inode number and multiple MMIE boundary, which reveals the child processor ID. Okay, here we are getting somewhat quite interesting way, but okay, let me just type here clear. So we didn't get any interesting things here. OpenBSD. Here we didn't get anything as OpenBSD. It's in the Debian work. Okay, and router is MikroTik routers. So very easy to exploit this one. We can test with as such. Enter our target IP address 192.168.18.171. Type yes. List. Okay, we not get anything else from here. Now this is going to be adding, but we not get anything about SH usernames or XYZ things. So I just put here as blah 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 for a SH. Then let's try here as 192.168.18.171. Permission is denied with a public key. Okay, so we try to get the SSH username. For that, I would like to for a checklist GitHub. So let's come back here. So we would like to go back here as usernames and names and names.txt. I would like to try to get this as error. So I just copy this entirely. Now I would like to try to copy this one. Now I would like to try to do here is uh, names.txt. That's it. Oh, sorry, nano names.txt. That's quite interesting. Let me just paste it. Yeah, I just copy. Okay. So here we have got it. Plenty of names here. Let me just type Control X. Word count list names.txt. Here we have 21,000 names. So quite interesting. Now just type list. So I have here a bullet.sh. Now just look here. So I have called this one to identify the bullet.sh. Like we just need to enter our target IP address. Then for users do we would like to try to utilize here. Let me just type here as clear. Now just put here as nano bullet.sh. Now we would like to go back here. Enter our target type address 192.168.18.171. Then where users with the R hostess and R port, strictly the host key is checking is no, then I just put here blue for SSH, white or R port. Permission or public key is denied. Let me just type Control O, Control X. Now just type here as bullet.sh. Let me just type here as bash bullet.sh. Now it's all checking the usernames. We would like to try to wait at what stage we can get here the users. So it will automatically take what else you have the names in the targeted word list. So from there, you can try to get the username. Once you get the username, you can directly crack the password. So I have find the username. Here is a Akira. Let me just stop it here. Username is a Akira. So quite interesting way to crack this username. Okay, very clear way. This one. Now I would like to utilize. So I just come back as a new tab. So now for a passwords, I just come back here. just here as a gun tip. User share word list rocky.txt then gjet. So you need to utilize the rocky.txt. So while utilizing the rocky.txt, it will take more and lengthy time process and more time consumption. So for that, I would like to utilize here as hydra minus f. Username is Akira. Password is password.txt. So I have some password list here. Okay, let me just put here as a cat a password.txt. So I have just a 3 words. I don't like to take a much because it's just CTF name is denied and we have identified the name as Akira and I just put it is in bash script. So sh with Akira. So I don't want to try too much because that consumes too much time, too much CPU also. Now just put forward as sh, enter your target. IP address 192.168.18.171. That's it. Now we have find the password automatically here. Let me just come back here. Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as sh Akira, then enter your target. IP address 192.168.18.171. The password is this one. Shakira. Just copy, come back and paste it. So where I have put here, I was logging here as a Akira. Now it's quite interesting here. Now let me just type here as list minus air cat user.txt. So we have identified the user.txt file, quite interesting. Now let me just type here as sudo minus l. Permission is denied. It was written in Spanish encoder. Okay, no worries. Now just type it as a file prm 4002 is greater than dev or null. We would like to try here. So here quite interesting. User bin doubts. So mode for as a NFS. So we can try to manipulate here. But we would like to look here as just copy. Now we just type it as list minus f. Let me just press this. So it's for to get a root access. So quite interesting here. Now we just put here as a cat as etc as DAOs.config. Permission is denied. Okay, quite interesting. Let me just put here as list minus f. Let's just put for as etc DAOs.config. It's like no exist el fenro or the directory. Oh, sorry. I would like to put here DOS. Yes, it's have a root permissions. Okay. Now, we would like to type here as clear. Now, you just put here as list minus L. Then you just put here as a user bin. Then let's just put here as awk. Now, I would like to write a print statement. I just put here as print for $9. Let me just put here as bins dot disk. Okay, here we have here as a bins dot disk. Now, we have a clear way. Now, let we would like to look here as a cat bins dot disk. So, uh, this entire of the bins, what else inside over there? That is presented here. Now, we would like to come back here. So, let me just close this, and this. DAO's exploit. DAO's privilege escalation for exploit nodes. Then, here is quite interesting here, as with the exploit nodes, like where we would like to get here a path to DAO's for copy, DAO's user root, and argument. So, quite interesting way. DAO's is an executes a arbitrary command with another user. It's similar like to use a sudo command. DAO's config is interesting in the privilege description. So, while we see here, quite interesting here. Now, I would like to try to find here. Let me just come back here. Now, I just utilize here as a while. I would like to try to read minus r as bin do DAO's minus add user bin dollars bin you just type it as minus help is greater than div or null 2 is greater than 1 EC equal to dollars with a question mark. If dollars with AC EQ 0, just type that echo, then let's just close this. Dollars with the bin. So either it was a allow, then I want to find live file, then let me just put here dollars with AC minus any1 then echo exit with the dollar as AC. I'll just close this. FI done. Pins dot disk. That's it. Now it will try to do we prefer not to say what here. CHMOD is denied, access is 0. So I think we need to write this one is very clear. Let me just copy. I would like to utilize here. Let me just put here as a chatgpt.com. So write this very clearly. So let me just certainly here the script which is binary listed with the so I just copy this one, then let me just try to execute it. Now it was a allowed chmod, quite an interesting way. You can see here while a read with the r with bin, 2 as user bin as $bin, help with the dev or null, 2 is greater than 1, echo with the $s if ec equal to minus eq equals 0, then echo plus bin is allowed. Else if echo is minus anyone, then echo is $bin is denied, and exit with AC. Now I have got here tune is allowed. Now how I'd like to read the I would like to go to here. We would like to go back here. Come back here. GTFO bits. Let's utilize this. Put here DOS, no have. Okay. I would like to put here as DOS as user, bin as tune minus L is 0. Then I just put here as bin or as such. That's it. So I have successfully came to as a root, cd as a root, list minus L. You just put here as cat root.txt. So where I have identified the root.txt. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.